I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country.
Doing them hills, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. But in case, so baby, we gonna dip. Was on bad in them apartments. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until we rose about the garden. Roll, I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up to
no. But like this, nobody can't go slow. I gotta hit that body. Break, yeah, I'm hot and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't go flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah.
If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful. When you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down.